Hello my friends, welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. And today I am heading back to San Diego from my sister's house near Colorado Springs. It's a little bit before 8, like 7:57 right now. And I'm just under 10 miles away. I stopped at the gas station here to top off the beastie. We're all packed up, ready to go. My sister made me a banana bread to bring along for the road. I'm gonna take a little bit different route home. I'm gonna go south through New Mexico and then cut across Arizona. So we'll see how that turns out. The weather looks good right now, and my stomach is not feeling the best, but we'll see how that plays out. I got plenty of water. I got some snacks. Like I said, I got the banana bread, and I don't know if I'm gonna try to push all the way through or not, but we got the video going here, so let's see what happens. Bike is ready, and I'm as ready as I'm gonna be. We'll see you wherever I end up next. First gas stop, Maxwell, New Mexico. Just under 200 miles, and it's about 10:30 now. So we're gonna continue on down to Albuquerque, and I think right around there is where we catch the I-40 and start heading west. Good weather, a little bit of wind. I really like the southern Colorado and northern New Mexico area. Really cool. Even right off the I-25, it's nice, but of course if you head west a bit towards Taos, New Mexico, beautiful. Not what you'd think if you've ever driven across New Mexico on the south. It's way different up in the north up here, so if you ever get a chance, come check it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a sip of water and continue going. We'll see you somewhere south of here. Santa Fe, New Mexico, 350 miles, about 4.5 hours. I think it's going pretty good so far. It was a little bit chilly earlier. It's starting to warm up. It's still not bad. It's perfectly good weather. I didn't make it to Albuquerque, which was my planned stop, because there was crazy crosswinds, and my gas stop that I got only had 86 octane, and my bike gets a little bit worse mileage with that, and the crosswinds, and then also keeping up with traffic. Going a little bit faster than the posted limit perhaps, but I am not a speed demon. But people were passing me, I was passing some people right in the middle. But between those items, I got considerably less fuel mileage than I usually do. So I stopped here in Santa Fe, got some fuel, get some caffeine, get a snack. Like I said, 350 miles in. Gonna push on down to Albuquerque and make a right and head on west on 40. So everything's going well so far. See how she goes. Currently in Gallup, New Mexico, just a little bit away from the Arizona border, about 200 miles away from Flagstaff. 540 miles in, and about 7 hours and 45 minutes, something like that. I stopped here, got a little snack, just some stuff I had in the motorcycle, drink some water, and walk around a little bit. So I did almost 200 miles on this last leg. Got much better mileage. The wind was not at my face, and I had good high test gas. So I topped off again here, so hopefully I can make it to Flagstaff. It's about 190 miles. So. Well, we'll be in Arizona one way or the other. We'll see you there. Well, I'm in familiar territory now. I'm in Flagstaff, Arizona. Just did a little bit under 200 miles, a little bit over 700 miles completed, and a little bit over 10 hours. So I got less than 500 miles to get home, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna do the same deal on this trip, but it looks like I am. Keep pushing forward here. I should be able to do 2 more gas stops and be home. Get a little bit more caffeine in my system. At the next stop, I'm probably gonna grab like a something small to eat. So we'll keep moving, and got a little bit of sky left, and hopefully the weather doesn't get bad on me. But I should have another hour and a half of sunlight, maybe a little bit more than that. So I want to take advantage of that, and then I'll stop and eat after that. See you at the next one. Lovely Gila Bend, Arizona. 950 miles in, 13 and a half hours, and about 260, I think, miles left to go to get home. Yeah, I'm kind of getting addicted to this, knocking out the big miles, so I probably better not do this anymore. I get real addicted to things sometimes, so. But it's kind of fun, trying to manage the time, stopping, staying hydrated, all that sort of stuff. I'm enjoying it. So one more gas stop. I can either divide it up into exactly in half or try to make some big miles, then a short one. So we'll see how that goes. But moving on. And hello from Yuma, Arizona. 2 miles away from the California border here, and about 160 miles away from home. I decided to gas up here because gas is cheaper in Yuma, so I should be able to make it home on this tank. So hopefully the next time I'm seeing y'all, it'll be in my driveway. We made it back to the Global Domination headquarters. Yeah, bike did great, no issues. 1,232 miles, 17 hours, 42 minutes. New high score. I'm tired. It's time to get some sleep. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.